voice! Me just land! My voice gone! Me just land to the blood clot news! Free word! Me just come from England and what is my land too? Jesus Christ! Look at my shopping myself! My voice gone!
Uno member fi subscribe. Yes, people. So me there listen Spice new album. Album tough, you see? Album is called Mirror 25. And this album here celebrates 25 years in the music industry for Spice. Not only that, but the album is a pretty good album. It does have 26 tracks and it's our third studio album, so you definitely want to give it a listen. It has some features from Kimani Marley, Busta Rhymes, Jada Kingdom, and a few other artists. Chronicler is also one of those artists, so you definitely want to listen to that song there. This album in itself is very special, I think. It really cements Spice as the queen of dancehall music in Jamaica. And you just want to reel up when you hear it. Cause you just want to kick out your foot them and just reel up and just do some dancing in your house, man. Cause me I tell you, the album itself is a pretty good album, and you just want to give it a listen, right? The thing is, with this album, it shows Spice's versatility when it comes to music. You understand? It really does. She is able to give you some, like, when the album does start, like almost like a gospel feel. I think it's a gospel album. Yeah, man. And I like me, I tell, yes, man. She had a sing on the album. She sing on the album, but she also, of course, DJ. And the thing is this, you know, it also have like the old time dancehall music, like almost like 90s feel, and it also has like some Afro beats type feel, and it also have the new dancehall music type feel. So it's a well put together album, and I really think it deserves a listen. So make sure you stream it, and make sure if you can buy it, whatever you do, just support the artist. Because anytime artists like this come and give you music like this, you have to make sure, say, you know, we as them fans, we are support them. I think this album really, if it did have a Vybz Kartel song, probably it have even blow up even bigger. Not to say that it needed Vybz Kartel to big up, to blow up, but it's if him did dip on it, you don't know, it probably would have had the icing on the cake where people would have said, oh yeah, reel up. But again, Mirror 25 is deserving of a listening. So make sure you listen it, and like me telling you, more videos coming, so make sure you subscribe. Appreciate the watch and thing, and you know, me soon now subscribe already, and you don't know, just enough respect, go and big up on yourself and keep tuned to Jamaica Extra. Alright, I'm out to the next video.